2. U.S. worried after Iran fails another attempt to put satellite into space. An Iranian rocket fell short of being able to place a satellite into space on February 9 Sunday, Iranian state TV revealed. This is the most recent misfortune for a program, which the United States claims will assist Tehran with propelling its ballistic rocket program ahead. The dispatch occurred at Imam Khomeini Spaceport in Iran's Semnan territory, nearly 230 kilometers southeast of Iran's capital, Tehran. A Simorgh, or Phoenix, the rocket couldn't put the Zafar-1 interchange's satellite into space, be that as it may, because of low speed, Iranian state TV detailed. Stage 1 and Stage 2 motors of the carrier functioned properly and the satellite was successfully detached from its carrier, but at the end of its path it did not reach the required speed for being put in the orbit, Defense Ministry Space Program spokesman Ahmad Hosseini told State TV. Hosseini still sought to portray the failure as a remarkable achievement for its space program. In the days leading up to the launch, Iranian officials had been promoting the mission, including the country's Information and Communications Technology Minister Mohammad Javad Azari Jahromi. His quick rise through the Islamic Republic's carefully managed political system already is generating speculation he could be a candidate for Iran's 2021 presidential campaign. The launch had been planned amid celebrations ahead of the February anniversary of Iran's 1979 Islamic Revolution. Iran routinely unveils technological achievements for its armed forces, its space program and its nuclear efforts during this time. Sunday's failure came after two failed launches of the Payam and Dosti satellites last year, as well as a launchpad rocket explosion in August. A separate fire at the Imam Khomeini Space Center in February 2019 also killed 3 researchers, authorities said at the time. The rocket explosion in August drew even the attention of U.S. President Donald Trump, who later tweeted what appeared to be a classified surveillance image of the launch failure. The 3 failures in a row raised suspicion of outside interference in Iran's program. The U.S. alleges such satellite launches defy a United Nations Security Council resolution calling on Iran to undertake no activity related to ballistic missiles capable of delivering nuclear weapons. Iran, which long has said it does not seek nuclear weapons, maintains its satellite launches and rocket tests do not have a military component. Tehran also says it hasn't violated the UN resolution as it only called upon Tehran not to conduct such tests. Over the past decade, Iran has sent several short-lived satellites into orbit and in 2013 launched a Monkey into space. The launch comes amid heightened tensions between Iran and the U.S. since Trump unilaterally withdrew America from Tehran's 2015 nuclear deal with world powers in May 2018. Iran since has begun breaking terms of the deal limiting its enrichment of uranium.